Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhipha nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke kuzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiyifaka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngingakuphuzi izindaba ongakwenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ngabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke lana-ke ividiyo-ke yaPresident-ke u-MK laphana-ke ubaba uJacob Zuma-ke laphana-ke eyala-ke i-youth intsha-ke laphana-ke e-MK ney'nkinga zokuxabana-ke njalo-ke i-youth-ke lena-ke bese ifika kuyena-ke ubaba yabe isibeka izinkinga-ke zayo kuyena-ke laphana-ke yamchazela-ke nayo-ke wasewayizinika-ke babanika-ke ama-advice-ke lapha, kodwa angifuni-ke mina ukuthi-ke wezwa ngami phela nje dlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzwele ona-ke ukuthi-ke uthini-ke. Mina ngicela kuwe lapha ukuthi masizwile-ke le vidiyo le ungene ama-comment section-ke ufushe uvo lwakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke masicindezela nebhathini nje usubscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhipha nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje esilokhu ngiyifaka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. Nayo-ke le vidiyo-ke awuyithokozele.
Number 2. Bathukana lapho president. Yeah, number 2. Kulapho kuthukana ku number 2. Kulapho khona okufa khona ngiyabana. Kufa ngiyabana. Yeah. Number 3. Politics with science. Scientific politics. Ibizwa kanjalo. You will never go wrong. Never. But iyazi ifunde musu kucabanga ukuthi uthuka umuntu politics. 3 levels. Nansi.
My president umbuzo omncane ukuthi ubona nini mase ugraduate-ile ku2 usu3
Phela uzobonakala ngezenzo.
oh
Ngezenzo nje usathuki, usuyahlonipha, usukhuluma ipolitiki ejulile.
yeah
Mr. President, number 1 yenjani lencane?
Ingane phela ngidle ngane. Mina babuyafaka isipolisi into politics. Iyo ke le. Ayithishu. Le ngane nezalukazi nazo zisela phana. Ake nikhulume epolitikeni bathi. Nabo bakhuluma politics. Yengane neluzalukazi le.
yes wakhala
Ngikhuluma itsheni iqinisi phela ngeke ulithole elinye le.
Ngiyayithanda kodwa baba le yokushaya kakhulu la kwi-youth.
wena cela
Angifuni sihambe phela le. Basithwesa kanti bayalwa.
Inkinga ye-youth. Bathi bese kule general nakhona at a lower level. Bacabanga ukuba sebekwi-scientific. And they believe they know it all.
yeah
Oh yeah. Bakhuluma particularly mase befundisa ulimi lolungelona lolwethu maye babo bakhuluma ungezwa nawe ubone ukuthi enye into ke baphithise ukuphithiza akusizi ngalutho. Uyazi one of the problem esinayo ngakutshena nje esiyenza sonke umuntu abiza abantu bonke bagcwale abantu abese uyafika lapha na yes now this is what is going to happen. Simila phasazi ukuthi uthini. Akakwazi ukuthi njengoba silapha nje bakwethu yilo.
yeah
Uyabona mase ufika lapha that's scientific policy.
Yeah.
Nomunye okhona la kekho ozohamba ngezwanga.
yes
Uyabona? Hayi lezi kuzimala ukuthi ngibatsheni abezwanga nini. Asifuni ukwazi ukuthi asifundile.
Yeah.
Umuntu asale sethula nje akazi ukuthi akakwazi ukubuza nomngane ukuthi uthini manje ngoba akafuni nomngane angazi ukuthi uthini. Uyabona i-mess up nje. Sendaba ongazange uyibuze.
amelelami asile defense president elami lithi makuthiwa kuchazwa ukulwa kwabantu kusokuchazwa ukuthi bayashayana bazi babhekana kodwa khona isimo lapho khona okuthiwa feca ucebe khulu washaya mina ngasalake lo ngishaya kwahlukanisa kodwa uyena futhi wangishaya inkinga ze-youth president azikho nkulu into upresident angathi yena ngosuku olulodwa azinkulu ama-ambitions wona makhulu kodwa iy'nkinga azikho nkulu abantu abaningi abavotela umkhonto wesizwe abancane abayi-youth bafike bengabizwanga abantu ama-individuals lana asenza ngathi manje yiwo a-prominent ababiza i-youth ize nje kumkhonto wesizwe olidwa umsholozi abantu they were drawn to the idea.
Kodwa bamuza umsholozi ukuthi uthini.
Kusho ukuthi bayamosha phela yithi esimoshayo kodwa akukhulu akusinto eyinkinga upresident angathula ukudila nayo ne-wisdom
Youth awuyazi youth.
hayi
Awuyazi leya namhlanje president ikhona la leya namhlanje.
yithi nje yithi yiyo leyobonayo.
No, but
Azikho kuyo.
mina Msezana, I have faith in this one. Yokuthi let's instill imfundiso yikababa.
Yes.
Because he has done his part. Now man is supposed to be resting. I'm repeating this. He's supposed to be resting. But because the country is burning, he decided to rise again. And he always provides lectures, each and every speech, referring to what Baba was saying while he was still a president. There is records and everything. What he said, it's happening now. So how do you undermine whatever lecture that Baba lays?
Angisakhulumi nge-youth.